everyone, today I'm going to cook chicken pasta with onion and jalapeno. So first we have to boil the water and then add 1 tablespoon of oil and then add salt, chicken thigh, black pepper and also beef powder. So bring that to boil until the chicken is soft and cooked, and then we add the pasta which I boiled the chicken, same water. So now you have to boil it 8 to 10 minutes or 9. You have to make sure the pasta is cooked. Don't overcook the pasta because it is soggy, and now it's ready to put aside the other pot. So it's really good, guys. Subscribe, likes, please leave comment, share, and don't forget to post the notification bell so every time I upload my video you're always updated. Now I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 4 cloves fresh garlic chopped and 1 whole of onions white. It's very easy recipe, guys, and very yummy. So I cook this so when my husband came home and have dinner, this is our dinner, but normally I eat a little bit only, and then add tomato. I harvest that from my garden. So now I add the chicken, boiled chicken, the one I shred. And then you have to stir it. Thank you to all my subscribers, silent viewers. And thank you so much. And add oil, like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you add 2 tablespoons of beef powder, or they call beef stocks. Instead MSG, guys, I put the beef powder or beef stocks. And add the pasta bowl. So I bought this in Walmart. It's very simple and just olive or butter, you know. If you want to put tomato sauce or something like that, or mayonnaise, you can do it too, but I try on just olive oil, or you can add some like vegetable, but I want that just plain only. So add 2 tablespoons of milk butter. One tablespoon of black pepper. So make sure stir it, and then I add 1 piece of jalapeno, a slice. So now as you can see, it's really good. You have to try it. It's really, really delicious. So now our chicken pasta is almost done. So now ready to serve. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. Thank you all my silent viewers and subscribers. I love you all and God bless. See you my next video.